You guys, we have all seen crypto projects promise the entire world and deliver absolutely nothing. But what if a project built a fully working trading app and got triple audited by the best security firms before they even launched? Well, guess what? I actually found one, and the early access window, you guys, it is about to close. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We are at it again. The blockchain FX presale, it has literally just crossed a massive $14 million milestone. All right. We're talking about a project that is backed by a global community of over 22,000 holders. Guys, that is massive. Now, the overall hard cap, it is strictly set at $15 million, meaning that the pre-sale is in its absolute final stage. That's going to be selling out very, very soon. So if we actually take a look here, you guys can see that we have the live beta platform. It actually looks pretty cool. So unlike 99% of pre-sales that just offer a white paper, BlockchainFX, you guys, it already has a live working trading super app. All right. So the overall interface here, you guys, super smooth. Okay. Just to see that. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Up here, you can see that you can actually change the charts, right? You can change it like this, right? You can change a lot of different things here. And add multiple charts that literally in just one click is actually different compared to other platforms. Not only that, you can choose between stocks, okay? We can even choose commodities, right? Gold, absolutely killing it right now. And then we can even choose crypto, right? I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. Now, the very bottom left, you guys will see you can choose the chart types, right? So, for example, bars, candles, lines, right? You can even choose different strategies, okay? You can even see right here, you can even add different graphical tools, right? Like a horizontal line, trend line, vertical line. You can even add a lot of different indicators. So, for example, just kind of showing you guys here what we can actually add, right? You can see that, okay? So pretty cool, pretty awesome, as mentioned. And changes back, and you can see you can easily zoom in here, okay? I like this, you guys. Very, very intuitive. Up here, we have our balance. You see right there, easy deposits, okay? You can see right here, this little plus sign. You can add any type of ticker symbol that you would like. So once again, from stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs, indices, even create a watch list. We got worldwide. Looks like we got Saudi Arabia. You can see, you just kind of click through here and you can see everything that is being offered. All right. So cash, which is probably one of my favorites. Over here, you can choose the quantities. Okay. You can even choose the leverage. Okay. It's actually pretty cool. Easy to change. Right. You can even see right here, we have post value. Right. We got margin. Okay. You have the TP, which stands for target price. And then we even have for SL, which means for stop loss. You can buy, which means you're betting that the price is going to go up, as that arrow indicates. And we can even sell, betting that the price is going down, right? Or vice versa, okay? But I want you guys to understand, I mean, this right here, I mean, this is awesome. This is an amazing platform. And as far as I'm aware, you guys, one of their top priorities, obviously, is going to be security, right? That's big, right? So the overall project smart contract, I want you guys to understand for blockchain FX, okay? They have been rigorously audited by the top 3 security firms in the entire world, right? You guys know we got Certic, we got CoinSol, and we have Solidproof. Particularly, you guys, this does provide, especially for early investors. Okay, so if you are interested, and because they are celebrating the final sprint of $15 million, okay, and yes, once again, this only lasts until the hard cap hits, right? So they literally just crossed $14 million. All right. So very important. Right. And not only that, you guys, but if you guys are part of this platform, right, and it's also been confirmed, not only that, a lot of rumors that they do have major centralized exchange listings that are already confirmed and lined up for immediate launch. Okay. This is going to be once this thing goes live. All right. So if you guys will, be sure to check it out. Do not miss out on this amazing platform. Once again, portfolio, we got trading history, we got chat support, a lot more, you guys. They are ready to go. All right. So make sure you guys check it out, dive down into it, and let me know exactly what do you think. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop gambling on empty promises and back a project with a working, fully audited platform. Not only that, be sure to click the link down below in the description upon, okay, or let's say before it actually sells out, which is very soon. So once again, check out that link, smash out that like button, smash out the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below.